Put toothpaste on soap and watch what I turn it into. I'm taking this simple combination and transforming it into a homemade toilet care solution designed to help keep your toilet feeling fresher and smelling cleaner after flushing. So, what happens when this homemade mixture goes into the toilet tank? Stay until the end and see the result for yourself. Start with a clean plate and a grater. Take a bar of regular soap and grate it into very small pieces. Grating the soap is important because smaller pieces are much easier to combine with the other ingredients and can create a more evenly mixed DIY formulation. Soap also provides the basic cleansing component of this mixture. As it gradually dissolves, it can contribute to a cleaner, fresher-feeling environment. Continue grating until you have enough fine soap shavings. Now take a clean, dry jar. Transfer all of the grated soap into the jar. Make sure the jar is large enough to leave some room. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is widely used in household cleaning because it can help neutralize unpleasant odors and provides mild abrasive cleaning action when used on appropriate surfaces. For a toilet care mixture, next add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt adds another cleaning element to our mixture and can help provide mild abrasive action when the mixture is used on suitable surfaces. It also works well alongside the soap-based ingredients, helping create a more balanced homemade cleaning mixture. Now add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Dish soap is designed to help loosen and lift grease and other surface residues. Here, it also helps create a smoother, more cohesive mixture when combined with the grated soap and baking soda. Now it's time for the ingredient we started this experiment with: toothpaste. Add a small amount of toothpaste to the mixture. Toothpaste contains cleaning agents and fine particles that can contribute to surface cleaning. But remember, this is a homemade toilet care experiment. Now add 1 small capful of Listerine. Listerine is known for its strong, fresh scent, so in this DIY experiment, it's being added primarily to give the mixture a fresher fragrance. Pour it in slowly. Now the mixture has its cleansing base, odor control element, surfactant, toothpaste, and fresh fragrance component. Now mix everything together carefully. Because the mixture contains several different ingredients, take your time and make sure everything is evenly combined. You want a soft, moldable consistency that can hold its shape. Once the mixture is ready, take a small portion and roll it between your hands to form a tiny ball. Make 2 small balls from the mixture. Keep them compact rather than making them too large, because the goal is for them to gradually dissolve rather than create a large solid mass. Now take a small piece of thin, water-permeable material and wrap each ball securely. The wrapping should allow water to contact the mixture gradually while helping keep the ingredients contained. Once both balls are wrapped, secure them carefully so they don't come apart immediately when they contact water. Now use a clean pointed tool to make several tiny openings in the wrapping. These small openings allow water to reach the mixture gradually. The idea is to create a slow dissolving DIY freshener rather than allowing the entire mixture to break apart at once. Now it's time for the real test. For this experiment, I'm placing 1 wrapped ball into the tank, away from the moving parts and valve mechanism. Close the tank carefully. Now flush the toilet and watch what happens. What to expect. As the water moves through the tank and the wrapped mixture gradually contacts the water, the ingredients can slowly disperse. The soap and dish soap provide cleansing agents. Baking soda contributes odor control, and the Listerine adds a fresh fragrance. And now let's check the result. The goal of this DIY is simple. Help the toilet area feel fresher between regular cleanings, while gradually releasing a pleasant scent during use. If you notice a fresh fragrance after flushing,